Have you ever wondered what happens to your Vivid card when you decide to move on to a different financial institution? Or perhaps you've simply lost your card and need to cancel it. Whatever the reason, closing a Vivid card is a straightforward process that can be done in a few simple steps. Let's dive in and explore how to close your Vivid card. Step 1. Check your Vivid app or website. The first step in closing your Vivid card is to log into your Vivid app or website. Once you're logged in, look for a section or setting related to closing your account or card. This might be labeled as Close Account, Deactivate Card, or something similar. Step 2. Follow the instructions. Once you've found the appropriate section, follow the instructions provided by Vivid. They will likely guide you through a series of steps, such as confirming your identity or providing reasons for closing your account. Step 3. Verify your identity. To ensure the security of your account, Vivid may require you to verify your identity. This could involve providing additional information or completing a verification process. Step 4. Confirm your decision. After verifying your identity, you'll likely be asked to confirm your decision to close your Vivid card. Read through the information carefully and make sure you understand the consequences of closing your account. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Once you've confirmed your decision, Vivid will process your request. It may take a few days for your account to be officially closed. Additional considerations. Outstanding balance. Before closing your Vivid card, make sure you've paid off any outstanding balance. If there's a balance remaining, Vivid may withhold your funds until it's settled. Data transfer. If you want to transfer your data from Vivid to another financial institution, you may need to take additional steps. Check with Vivid's customer support for specific instructions. Card destruction. Once your account is closed, you should physically destroy your Vivid card to prevent unauthorized use. Closing a Vivid card is a relatively simple process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily deactivate your card and close your account. Remember, if you have any questions or encounter difficulties during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Vivid's customer support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.